All right, across the north, temperature single digits, Durango, Alamosa, and over into Cortez. 20 Raton, 21 Las Vegas, 30 Albuquerque, and down to the south, temperatures in the 20s and 30s. Looking at satellite and radar, not much happening for us now. A few clouds over Colorado, but most of the action pretty quiet over New Mexico. Little weather disturbances falling apart to our west. It's not going to be a huge factor for us. The bigger story in our weather future will be a cold front heading in our direction by the time we hit Wednesday and into Thursday. So the storm system itself will actually miss us, but the front dragging behind it is going to come plowing into the state Wednesday around midday across the northeast, and it will advance east to west across New Mexico throughout the day on Wednesday and into Thursday morning. And this cold air is big time cold air. We're talking Arctic type air here. Take a look and we'll show you how cold we're talking. The air right now is over Yellowknife, where their high today was 35 below. Down to the south around Bismarck, 17 below by Wednesday into Thursday. And by the time this air makes it to us, no, it won't be this cold, but it will be cold. We'll be in the 30s here in the Albuquerque area, in the 20s, maybe just teens across Raton and Clayton. Roswell just going to be in the 30s as well. So this is going to be some cold air as it slides its way on through here. Now, also, it's going to pack enough moisture, it looks like, at this point, and that moisture just running its way up the Sangre de Cristos here as we push into Thursday to cause us some issues here. And what that's going to eventually mean for us is some light snow across the Sangres here. Now, not necessarily big-time accumulations, but I think what we're dealing with here is probably 3 to 5 inches along the east slopes of the Sangre de Cristos. And if you're around Raton and Las Vegas, if we get any snow at all, maybe an inch or two. So obviously, we're not talking about big-time snows here, but given that the air is going to be so cold, it won't take much to get 3 to 5 inches over the northern mountains. I don't think we're going to see much here in the metro area. We could grab a brief snow shower, but not looking like any significant snow here. So as we get into tomorrow, still temperatures relatively moderate. Farmington at 35, Durango at 33. If you look at the 7 days here, you can see those cool temperatures really set in Thursday into Friday. But Durango and Farmington are a little bit too far to the west to see the biggest impact from this cold front. We'll show you the areas that'll get it much worse in just 1 second here. Across the south and west, temperatures in the 50s for the most part. And over to the southeast, this is an area that's definitely going to see the much colder temperatures. Tomorrow, not bad. For the most part, in the 50s. But if you check out the 7-day forecast, look at what happens on Thursday and Friday in Roswell. Much colder temperatures. Highs just in the 30s. So it is going to cool down significantly. Tomorrow across the northeast, actually pretty mild, considering that on Wednesday your highs are only going to be in the 20s. Tomorrow we're going to be looking into the 50s. Northern mountains, nice day tomorrow, 30s and 40s. Possibility of some light snow returning to the forecast as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. Santa Fe 7-day, you can see the much cooler temperatures headed in by, say, Thursday into Friday. Meanwhile, East Mountains temperatures for tomorrow are going to be for the most part, in the 40s. And then here in the metro area, our temperatures will top out tomorrow in the high 40s in most areas. But as we check out the 7-day forecast, you'll notice it gets much cooler Thursday and Friday with temperatures in the mid to high 30s. So winter returns, although not a whole lot of snow returns.
Just the cold.
Yes, mainly cold. Watch the mountains for a little bit, though.
All right. Thank you, Mark.